Hi everyone, have you ever wondered how the air cooler keeps us cool during the summer? Today I am going to show you the science behind it. And believe me, it is something which you have felt in your everyday life. Look, my hand is wet. When I wave it, I feel cool. Have you felt the same when you come out of the swimming pool or when the sweat dries on your skin? This happens because of evaporation. Evaporation requires heat energy. So when water turns into water vapor, it also carries the heat energy from your body. And that is why your skin ends up feeling cool. Now let me show you my air cooler at home. What is the use of the air cooler? The use of the air cooler is to make the air cool. So the air cooler has three main parts. The first part is the water tank. The second part is the absorbent sheet or the cooling pads. And the third part is the fan, which is fitted inside this water tank. Now let me show you how this works exactly from the inside. So as you can see, this is the absorbent sheet or the cooling pad. Now the cold water which is there in the water tank, it is carried up with the help of this pipe inside this. Now this pipe is going to spray the water on the left, the back side and the right of this cooling pad. Now what happens, the hot air which is coming from the outside is going to come in contact with the cold water in these cooling pads. Now this cold water is going to evaporate, and as you know, in evaporation you require heat energy. So whatever heat is there from the hot air, it is absorbed, and what remains behind is the cold air. Now this cool air is carried to our room with the help of a big fan which is fitted on the front. Because of the fan, the cold air is circulated to us inside the room. So this type of cooling is most effective in the dry heat season. For example, in places like Rajasthan or Punjab, because coolers are very good at increasing the humidity of the room. Now let us see how it actually looks when I start it. Okay. So first of all, as you can see, there is a water tray over here, and this water tank can hold up to 5 liters to even 70 or 60 liters of water. So I am going to put the water inside this just to show you that the water has filled up inside the tank. Okay. Now I am going to switch this on, and we are going to actually see how this cooling pad becomes wet. So let me just switch it on. So there is this switch. When I will switch this on, it will start cooling. So I have this option. I am starting to cool this. I'll put this on high. I have put it on medium. So you can see that the water is coming down, and this water is going to evaporate. Now let me put my hand in front of this. It is very, very cool. Okay. So this is how Friends, the principle behind an air cooler is very simple. Evaporation causes cooling. Just like the water drying on our skin makes our skin feel cool, the same way the water which is drying in the air cooler makes the air cool for us. So friends, can you think of another time when evaporation made you feel cool? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay cool.